Hello guys, I welcome you all to tonight's video. It's another brief opportunity for us to be together again. It is the time for the $500 trading tips for trading boom and crash, where we usually analyze the market together, check out the market direction, and of course we use it as an opportunity to give us trading tips on what to go for whenever we are trading, and we'll be having another edition of it again tonight. But before we go fully into it, in case you're joining me for the first time, I welcome you all to Qora Digital Cash. This is a platform which I used to share with you my ideas and on how you can make some cool cash for yourself online, most especially within the forex niche. And all you need to do is just for you to take some time to browse through the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies shared, and of course make sure you practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, can you do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. These are the assets that we'll be checking out. Everything I will be doing in this video is going to be based on my own personal analysis, trading tools, and the exact time frame I will be using. The performance also depends on when you are seeing this video. Okay, if you are not joining me live and direct, then you will have to have a recheck on the chart before you can follow up with the analysis. As for the $500 profit per day, it all depends on your trading capital. The more your trading capital, the easier it is for you to achieve, but you can always grow from a small trading capital into something reasonable. Okay, so let's go straight into what we have right here, starting with boom 1000. Boom 1000 started an uptrend right from this support zone. You can see the yellow flag and the blue arrow. It kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to go above that resistance zone, so it started a downtrend right from there. We got a red flag and of course a red arrow, and it has been selling. Okay, it got to this support zone. It was unable to break out below it, so it had a pullback. Okay, after the pullback, it will try out the support zone again to see if it will break out from there. Once it breaks out from there, then it's going to keep on selling. Okay, but if it's unable to break out from here, then definitely it will keep on buying. Okay, so we should watch out for that. Okay, so this should be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be boom 500. Okay, this is boom 500. It started the downtrend right from here, played around there for a while before breaking out below this support zone, and of course it kept on selling right from there. Okay, and it is still selling at the moment, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Next asset is going to be crash 1000. Let's say it's okay. This is crash 1000. It started an uptrend right from the support zone, gave us a buy signal, an uptrend signal and a buy signal, and it kept on buying till it got to this resistance zone. It was unable to break out from there, so it started a downtrend right from there, and it is still very new, so this is going to be giving us more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. Okay, next asset is going to be crash 500. This is crash 500. It was on uptrend before got to this resistance zone, had the pullback, went back there again, still had another pullback. It has not been able to break out from this support zone, so right now it is buying, and of course it will be trying out the next resistance zone. If it breaks out above it, it will keep on buying, but if it does not, it will come back to try out the support zone again. Okay, so at the moment this is still buying. Okay, this might not be for long, but it is still buying. Okay, the last asset is going to be volatility 75. This is volatility 75. It started the downtrend from here, got to this region, had a pullback, and of course went back down again till it got to this support zone. Right from there it started an uptrend, but was unable to break out above this resistance zone, so it is selling at the moment, and we'll be trying out this support zone again. So this is going to be more of a selling opportunity than a buying opportunity. So guys, these are all that we are able to come up with today. All you just need to do is just for you to understand every part of the analysis and apply them carefully whenever you are trading. For those of you who are here to perfect your trading skill, kindly go back to the channel, watch my training videos, make sure you understand every part of the strategies, practice very well on your demo account before trying it out on your real account. And if you love my videos, can you give me a thumbs up and share with families and friends? And if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, kindly do so right away so that you can be notified whenever I upload a training video like this. Watch out for my next video. Until then, God bless.